the private residence of the Pope in the Vatican City. That is his apartment in the Apostolic Palace, beside the Basilica of St. Peter, is left vacant upon the death of the Pope, or in this case the retirement of the reigning Pope, which began the sede vacanti, during which no Pope is present. Therefore, in order to avoid fraud and manipulation of papal documents of the previous Pope, and to prevent release of items that can only be done by the new Pope, the Pope's apartment is sealed by a special officer of the Roman Curia, that is the Camerlengo Chamberlain of the Holy Roman Church, who is now Cardinal Tarcisio Bertone, who is also the Secretary of State of the Holy See. The Camerlengo is the leader of the sede vacanti transition period, and working in conjunction with the Dean of the College of Cardinals, his duties include sealing the Pope's apartment and the destruction of the Pope's Ring of the Fisherman, both of which meant